Well, hello everyone. Remember this fabric from my Missouri Star into Bolt box? Well, I have done a little thing with it, at least some of it. I quickly digitized this little thing, and I'm kind of upset. I ran out of bobbin here when I backed it up. Evidently, I backed it up too far, so there's a little bit of a dark overlap. But this is where the flamingo's stitched, and there's a lot of stippling in here. And now I've got to get it out of the hoop, and I'm gonna have to like trim around all of this and get the binding and everything on there. I don't know if I'm gonna use this for binding or not. I'm not sure. I might use one of the other fabrics that was in the box. But what do you think of this? I think it's actually kind of cool. And if you really would like to know how to digitize at least this portion of it with generic, software, I use Embird and I use Hatch. And I will tell you, this was done in Hatch, but it had been probably a few years since I'd opened Hatch up. And the only reason I did it in Hatch was because I had digitized this in Hatch. So I had the file that I could shrink to the size that I needed. But otherwise, if I'd had digitized this in Embird, I would have been doing it in Embird. So if you would like a kind of like a generic video on how to digitize something like this, let me know, and I might be able to give you some steps. I can't do it for all the softwares, but they're pretty much the same. You get the gist of it, and I can do that. So let me know. I hope you like it, and let me know what you think about this. And I was thinking about maybe binding in a pink. And one thing I realized after I finished this is a different color pink than is on there. I didn't select the same color of pink again, so too many threads on that machine right now. And this is the back. It's just a regular bobbin, so you can't really tell too terribly much. And where the embroidery is, there's nothing over here, so that's the way it looks. So I need to get it trimmed down and get some binding on it. I will talk to you later. Bye.